Can I drink water? Number of rows and columns I wanted to know. You need to call an attribute. Attribute name is a shape. One more time. Shape attribute. I wanted to know total number of columns. Yeah. Either you can see length actually. Otherwise you can see in the shape tuple actually. 0th index, first index. 0th index, first index. You already know. Guys, get ready. We are entering into such a different zone. The next what I can say, 20 minutes discussion. Completely we are going to playing with one column. That column name is a invoice underscore date. Right? Invoice underscore date actually. Next to 20 minutes discussion, man. Not a joke actually. Previously, I hope you understand all column names. Now slowly by slowly, we are handling column by column. Description column we handle. Quantity column we handle. We added a column name is a amount spent actually. Amount what, man? Good. Daniel, I wanted to know total business actually. I wanted to know what exactly mean. Total how much business. What we need to do? Any idea? Any idea what we need to do? Sum you need to call. Ante sir. Imagine, first product so and so dollars. UK data set, right? Euros. UK data set, euros or pounds. Yeah, that's still okay. Next one, what exactly? 3.39. 2.75 actually. These are all, I'm sorry sir, not this one. Amount spent actually. Here if you apply sum, you will get the total sum. Total business. You will get what exactly, man? Can we apply? Are you ready? Fun, let's apply. Daniel, I wanted to know total business. Total how much revenue? Also you can see. DF of Chaptara. What is the column name? Amount spent. Tell me what I need to do. Dot sum. Dot what exactly mean? Sum. First access the data frame. On top of this one you can call sum method. Are you ready? Daniel, we are ready. Let's run this then. First of all you are accessing single column. Yeah. Did you remember why key error? Key error in kuchindi? Why? Because in old data frame this column is not available. That's the reason actually. Good. DF underscore cheppandi. Good. Oh my god, total 3,97,000 values actually. Daniel, let us apply sum. Let us apply what mean? Sum. This is the whole business is generated actually. 1 year revenue. Cheppandi sir, 1 year revenue actually. Yeah, good Daniel. That's what you need to be understand. Daniel, I wanted to know minimum transaction. Min method. Maximum transaction. That's it. Min is function in Python. Min is method in series. Please make a note on this one, right? Just I wanted to know minimum value, minimum transaction, Daniel. I wanted to know minimum transaction amount, minimum transaction. The next one, I wanted to know maximum transaction. I wanted to know what exactly mean maximum transaction. Get this one. Here you need to apply. Chappan sir, min. What is the method name? Min. We covered. Where? During series actually. I wanted to apply max. Oh, minimum 0 transaction, 0 amount. Why 0? Guess actually. Enduku 0? Guess set actually. Why minimum transaction value is the 0? Ordered and cancelled. Chappan sir, I ordered 100 rupees item. 100 rupees. I cancelled actually. I got my amount. Now they should make it that is what exactly? 0. Am I right or not, sir? There is a reason. Please think logically. Max. Oh, good transaction. This customer is really good actually. one person done very huge transaction actually. Like this you need to be understand. These are all good operations. First point, let me ask you a question. Are you following everyone? Meeku ardham avutunda sir? Yeah. Imagine if company have given the data set. These are all operations we need to apply. Then you will get a, good idea. Move on. Where are we? Now invoice underscore date. Now I wanted to work on this column actually. Yeah, good. We are good to go. Man, there are a lot of operations we are doing. Get ready to understand. First point, accessing date underscore invoice underscore date column. Actually, there are two ways. First one by using dot notation, next one by using index. I like index. Why not dot actually? Yeah, good. Accessing so and so column. Yeah, we are accessing. We are accessing, Daniel. Okay, sir. Let's access this. Still, second method is valid, but I don't want to access like that actually. While accessing column name should be match. Otherwise, very nice. Let's cross verify. Check cheddam chudandi. Yeah, here. Can I highlight actually? You should know. In pandas, the very common error is a key error. Pandas lo common go error in key error. Close your eyes and you can tell column name mismatch. Chappan sir. That's it. Column. If column name mismatched, then only will get key error. Key error. Okay. Move on. Oh, get ready, sir. Go back. Data frame you are accessing. Single column. Then it is a series. It is what, man? If series having string value, if you wanted to apply string operation, you need to call str attribute. If series having string value, if you wanted to apply string related operation, you need to call str attribute. If series having date related value, if you wanted to apply date related operation, you need to call dt attribute. What attribute? Ayyo sir, this we spend much time spend chesam మనం దీని మీద, right? Yeah, let's just try to apply. Convert from series is to date time properties object. Yeah, we'll see. But this object actually, we'll see. Let me show you how. Simple. You can just have to access this. You can call dt. You can call what, man? dt. Chudandi. Let me just have to access. నేను access చేస్తాను చూడండి. Yeah. First of all date related value dot dt dot what exactly na dt. See, date time properties object. Exactly, sir. Look at the running notes. Date time properties object. Why? Once you done this, access year you can access. Access చెప్పండి sir. Month you can access. Access what exactly? Man, anything you can access. Why? Because see, first point, we transform the data into our shape actually. Now you can play the game. You can play what's the game. I wanted to access year. Any idea? Dot year attribute. I wanted to access month. Any idea? Dot month attribute. Dot what exactly, man? Like this, you need to move on. First, this form is important. If you don't know this form actually, we need to cry. Let's work on this. We got it here. Very nice. Same thing like a month I wanted to access. Very nice. Are you clear? Move to the next one. Now cinema started actually. Let's look at the data. Sorry, data and చూడండి. Daniel, what is the next requirement? Good. Next requirement is I have listed out here. Just to read the content actually. Let's insert. Okay, see, hold on. Insert. I'm not talking about add. If I add, it goes to the last. But I wanted to insert middle, in between columns actually. What is the column name, Anna? Oh, I don't want to insert year column separately. I don't want to insert month column separately. I wanted to join year value and month value. I wanted to insert that value. Quite interesting. That to at which position? Oh, first of all, we'll do one thing. Let us take all the values actually. Mano values తీసుకున్నాను చూడండి. These are all columns, sir. These are all what exactly? Columns actually. Yeah, Daniel, these are all columns. Can you tell me what is the position for this? 0. What is the position for this? 1. Okay. What is the position for this? Now here we are planning to add a column. What is a column actually? Year underscore month. I mean to say here we are going to add. Then that column it is going to push. No పక్కకు వెళ్ళు అని మనం push చేస్తాం. Are you ready, sir? Right. Now, after adding this, ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలుసా మీకు? Let's get this column and it is going to be, చెప్పండి సార్, here we are going to add actually. Yeah, like this actually. Okay. Don't worry. Why this hadavadi? Don't worry. If you want, I can pull here. I can pull back this one too. It's okay. Description is a very longer one. Now, what is the position? 0. What is the position? 1. What is the position? That's what actually. Are you ready? Then you should know. But sir, not that much easy. You understand about the position. Now, what value you wanted to insert? What value you wanted to insert? What value I wanted to insert? You know, let me show you the output. Are you ready? Let me show you the output actually. In output చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Yeah. Invoice number Daniel. Yes, invoice number. Invoice date Daniel. Yes, invoice date. The next one will be year underscore month. Very good. What is the value? You know, Sajji. The value is year value 2010 and what value 12. So just to look at this value, ఈ value ని చూడండి ఒకసారి. This value I am capturing and immediately I am taking month value. I mean to say side by side. Year value, month value, I am just trying to taking side by side. Why? Because you know, in future, I wanted to apply one small operation. I need monthly wise sales, Anna. What sales? Year and monthly wise sales. I need year also and monthly wise sales. Why? Because this is almost 2000 A data is actually 2010 and next one will be 2011 data also. Are you clear? First point. So please make a note actually. Farming this one is not a joke actually. Farming this one is what such a not a joke. We'll do one thing. Let's take this value. If you understand this operation, this topic is over. Operation. Date value. One date value I have taken. One value I have taken. Now what is expected output, Daniel? I'm expected. What is expected output? You know, nene output expect chestanu ante. Let me just have to expect this output actually. Let's take year. Okay. Let's take year. This one is a year. And let's take month. What is a month, Sarji? 12. Now, what is the output I'm expecting? You know, nene em output expect chestanu ante. Can you tell me? 2010 12. 2010 12. Good. In between what operation I wanted to apply, that is really good challenging actually. Right? In between what operation I want, can you guess actually em apply chesi vastadu manaki result? Very good. Concatenation. Very good. But let me tell you, if it is concatenation, we need to apply over this string. Or what exactly mean? String. Can I explain? Nenu explain cheyamantara? Python interpreter explain chesana nenu. Did I explain this analogy actually? Good. Imagine if y equals to 2010. Next one m equals to in between 12. And now y plus what exactly? M. But unfortunately, these two are not a strings actually. These two are numbers. These two are what, man? Numbers actually. Please focus on this, right? Then sorry for saying concatenation. It is not a good practice. We should not go for this. Are you clear? First, I am telling why it is not a concatenation. Then what we need to apply? Any idea? Naku result ela kavali. But we have these two value. What we need to do, you know, such you do one thing. This value you can multiply with 100. This value you can multiply with. If you multiply with 100, what happen? You know, 2010. Next one, 2 double zeros. Now you can take the 12 value actually, and you can just have to go back. Sir, very simple. I know you guys are thinking very more actually, but no. Anta thing cheyalsina pani ledhu. Cheppandi sir, apply addition operation. What operation ana? Addition operation. Apply chestara? 2010. That's it. We done actually. Meeku ardhamayinda? Very simple. Very simple. This one is year value. Multiply with 100. Then we'll get a 2 extra zeros. 2 extra zeros. Then go for addition with the month value. Addition, you know additions I guess. Additions తెలుసు అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను మీకు. Right. Very basic one. Yeah, you know Daniel 2. The next one 0 plus 1 1. And automatically పైన ఉన్నది కింద వచ్చేస్తుంది అంతే automatic. 2010 2010. Can I get a response? Sir, this operation not like a one value, more than 3,97,000 values you need to apply this operation. More than how many? 3,97,000, ante kada. If you want, you can go back actually. Do you think this is the single value? No. Like this, how many values would we have? Any values unnai sir man chetlo? 3,97,000 values would we have? 3,97,000 values would we have? For every value, I wanted to take year, month, I wanted to add year. Year, month, I wanted to add here. Year, month, I wanted to add here. Like this, 3,97,000. Now here we need to use one Python topic. Topic name is called as a lambda. What is the topic name? Lambda actually. Why lambda, you know? Lambda is a function. I wanted to apply only one time. That logic helps only here. I don't want to recall again and again actually. Then you can go for lambda. You can go for what? Functions two type. One is a normal function, next one is a lambda function. Lambda. If it is really required, only one time usage actually, go for lambda related function. I covered. Python చెప్పేటప్పుడు నేను కవర్ చేశాను. ఓకే, డోంట్ వరీ, ఐ విల్ రిపీట్ వన్ మోర్ టైం. మీరు వరీ అవ్వాల్సిన పని లేదు. Daniel, how to work actually. Don't worry. First let me explain the logic. నేను లాజిక్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. Good. So let me take year value. Let me take month value. Yeah. Do you wanted to print year value? Yes. Do you wanted to print month value? Yes. Anna, it is integer. Boss, it is what exactly? Integer value. What value? Move on. Yeah, it's okay. Next one. I need year underscore month. Month equals to 202010 into 100 plus 12. Yeah, done. I win, sir. I pen it in task. Single value. But the same operation I wanted to apply on 3,97,000 values. Then go for lambda. Go for what, Sajid? If it is single value, we can perform like this actually. But backend operation I'm explaining. Now, new topic I'm going to tell. Get ready. First point. Everybody look at my screen. Everybody, I request you. I'm applying operation. Good, sir. Any idea? First, let me start from here. Data frame. What exactly? Data frame. Next one. What is insert? One more time. Insert method takes almost how many parameters? 3 parameters here. How many? 3 parameters. First one, location you need to specify. Next one, column name also you need to specify. Next one, value, operation. Yeah, what exactly? Operation. I have a question for you. Can you tell me these are all syntaxes? Everywhere keyword augment, man. మీరు ఏ టాపిక్ టచ్ చేసినా సరే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో కీవర్డ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటుంది. గెట్ రెడీ ఫర్ దిస్. యా, లొకేషన్. సెకండ్ లొకేషన్. Column. What is a column name actually? C1. Prepare the C1. What is a column C1, Daniel actually? You can just have to go back here. This one is a C1. Okay, Daniel, we are ready. Go to the runtime. Yeah, this one is a column name. This one is what name? Column name. What is a column name? Year underscore month. Sir, operation. Yeah, I mean to say this is nothing but a V1 in the sense value 1 operation actually. Operation. Yeah, what is a V1 operation? You know, value 1 operation. Now, this is quite interesting. Spend some time. మీరు కొంచెం టైం స్పెండ్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. You need to recall small Python stuff actually. Very simple. Good. Just answer my question. Don't worry. Can you tell me what it is? Data frame. One more time. Can you tell me what it is? Single column. Access and single column means series. Chappana sir. One more time. Series. First one is a data frame. Next one, accessing a single column. Then it is a series. The two series having date time related value. What value? Inside series, do you wanted to apply almost same operation on multiple values actually? Do you wanted to apply almost same operation on multiple values actually? Go for map method. Go for what method? Let me repeat. In Python, map is a function. In Pandas, map is a method. Map method on that. Daniel, why you didn't cover in chapter? If I covered everything in chapter, what I will cover in project actually? That's what I'm covering. Few methods and different, right? Now let me tell you, map method. Get ready. I hope you understand the logic actually. Only one parameter it takes. That is nothing but an operation. Lambda column name. What is a column name? You know, sir, the whole value it will capture actually. The lambda beauty is column means the every value. From this value we are capturing year. We are capturing what mean? Year. You need to multiply with 100. You need to multiply with 100. Then addition with month. Addition with what? Let me repeat again. Malli sir explain చేస్తాను చూడండి. Map is a method. Map is what, sir? Method. Here you need to define lambda. If you are still asking what is lambda, మీరు ఎవరైనా lambda అంటే ఏంటి అని అడిగితే నా ఆన్సర్ ఏంటంటే do the Python revision. Do what, man? Python revision. You will get an idea. Lambda of Daniel COL column. What is a column here? You know, invoice underscore date. The beauty with the lambda, in between DT not required. Directly you can access the date related value. From this date related value, it can access year automatically. I wanted to multiply year value with the 100 and plus month. That's what I applied here, the same operation. Access the month, access the year, multiply with 100 and addition with what exactly? Month. Repeating again, access the year, multiply with 100, do the addition with what exactly? Month. We done this. Let's run this one. Run చేస్తాను చూడండి, same code. Can I take this one? Yeah. You need to practice. Do you want to see the values? Oh my god, operation done. All values applied actually. Now the same column we need to take as it is, we need to insert. That's what we need to do. Then we need to call a method. What is the method name, sir? Now hold on. Wow, done actually. Do you want to see this? Great, sir. Everybody look at my screen. Children, excellent. Position number 2, 0, 1, 2. We added a column. What is the column name? Year underscore month. Year underscore what, sir? Month. Yeah, that's what we added. That too, very carefully we have taken this value and we have taken this value. We are adding here actually. Daniel, why you done this operation? Why? Because you know, in upcoming we are planning to use this column. As of now, we added 2 columns. Chaptara, what are those columns? Amount spent, you should remember. Why? Because this we are adding. We will add just not for fun. Definitely there is a requirement in the future. Future lo ఖచ్చితంగా ఆ కాలమ్ మనం యూస్ చేస్తాం. Till now, very clear? This is the complex operation, adding year and month. If you understand this, all other operations are easy. What is the next operation? You know, in beside of this one, I wanted to add month column. I wanted to add what is the month value? 12. That's it. I wanted to take that 12 here actually. Are you ready or not, sir? Right, good. Let me just try to add. This is so called as a adding year and it's not adding, Daniel. Daniel, it's not adding. It is inserting. Yes, sir. Inserting year underscore. Seems to be room is slowly heating actually. Year underscore month column. Yeah, we done this, Archie. We done this one. Sir, move to the next operation. Any idea what we done in the next step actually? Look at the result actually. You tell me what I done. చెప్పండి ఏం చేశాను ఇక్కడ. We inserted one more column. Column name is what is the value? 12. What is the value? 12. Very simple. What is the last value? 12. Then how easy it is, you know? How easy? First to prepare insert, location, column, value. Location, third position. Column name. What is the column name? Month. What is the value operation? Very simple. We already know this actually. Am I right or not, sir? Very simple. Come on, let's take this. Very simple, man. Now I wanted to insert the month column to data frame. Yeah. Then prepare the 2 values operation. C2 column 2. Why C2 name I have given? Why V2? For column 2 V2 operation. I'm sorry, sir. Let me drink water. Online team, how are you? I hope you are getting actually what I'm explaining. Let me know. Done. Just recently I added a column. Till now, with our hands we added 3 columns. What is the first one? Amount spent. Next one, year underscore, and next one, month. Daniel, why this month column? Upcoming. I wanted to know, right, how the business is going on only over the months actually. Did you remember recently I told so and so month there is no transaction? I'm sorry. So and so month more transaction. Which month name? November, I guess. November, sir. November actually. Yeah. So we are going to calculate from this month column. From this month column. One more column I'm going to add. One more column I'm going to add. I'm going to add actually. Not add, Daniel. Insert, please. Let me correct my terminology. Day of a week, we are just trying to adding day column, sir. What column actually? But let me tell you. Did you remember? So this one I hope I already covered. What I covered, in general. Days. Monday, Tuesday, Sunday. They having the numbers. They having what exactly, sir? Numbers. This is the in general. In general. This is in general. What is in general numbers? Monday starts from 1, Tuesday 2, and keep on. What is the last one? 7. We know this. We know this. But in pandas, what happened, Cheptara evarana? Yeah, sir, 0. Next one, 1. Next one, keep on 6. But I don't want start from 0. I wanted to start from 1. What I need to do? That's what we are applying actually. That's what we are going to apply. Daniel, when you covered? Anna, I covered. During that time you slept, I guess actually. Cover Jason. Okay. Go back and this is what we are going to cover. We know this, man. We are inserting a column. Column name is a day. Daniel, how to insert? Very simple. First to call the method. Prepare the method. C3. What is a C3? Column name is a day. V3. V3 is operation. Y plus 1 because of this. Am I right or not, sir? Okay. You can run all cells in one, all code in one cell also. That is still fine. But I would like to run individually. Now what happened? Hold on. Till now, if you understand, we are almost very near it. Let's run this. Good, man. I feel, I don't know. I wanted to call one's columns attribute. What attribute? Why? Because what we are doing? We are inserting new columns. We are inserting. We'll see. Go back. What is the next one? Oh my God. We are adding to one more column. Column name is our actually. Yeah, good. Let's just have to add. Inserting our column also. If you want, you can run in a single cell also. That is still fine. We added, sir. We inserted actually. Tell me the first column. Year, month. Next one, month. Next one, day. Next one, hour. If you want, you can insert year also. But we already know only 2 years, I guess. 2010 and 2011. That to 2010 only December month. Only 1 month actually. మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. Okay. Maybe 2011 only December, I guess. We'll see accordingly. Fine, Sarji. Where are we? Oh, we are going to go. Let's display all name of the column. I hope you know why we are displaying this. Yeah, because column names we inserted in between. We manipulated actually. Then it's the right time you need to access. I hope you already know. Chaptara df dot columns. Yeah. Df underscore new. Thank you. Now I wanted to display a list actually. 2 underscore list method you can call. Yeah, good. These are all column names. These are all column names. Can somebody tell me? Two list. 2 underscore. This is the method. This is the method, sir. Daniel, we done these are all. I wanted to display all one by one. Still you can do. Yeah, good. So now the next operation, what is the time? 10:21. Next operations are group by actually. Can I talk with online team? Chappan sir, Daniel. Total how many? 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Total how many? 7. Oh, madam, only one transaction. Yeah. Daidalchar anamata. How many? One transaction. Only one. Sorry for getting. Are you with me? Good. Now let's move on. Move on. Where are we? You can go back and this. Then, if you need this kind of results, sir, go for group by. Go for what, Sarji? Group by actually. Group by. Okay. So fine then. So generally these operations are not required. Group by. There is a keyword argument, customer ID count. Customer ID, whatever you are giving, it comes as index. We already know. Am I right? That one more point. When I was explaining about the group by, keyword argument I didn't introduce it actually, but keyword argument still you can apply. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. By is a keyword argument. Whatever you are giving here, it comes as what exactly mean? Index, and all columns will come like a count actually. Invoice number count, invoice date count, year month count. Frankly speaking, not required. Move on to the next operation. Okay. Group by based on customer, country, count. Customer ID, it comes as index. Country, it comes as index. 2 indexes actually. Now other columns we are going to get actually. Frankly speaking, this is not required. Now let's move on. This operation you need to be understand. Get ready. This is the final operation. Group by a new object based on customer. Yeah, exactly. On country wise, invoice number count. Chappan sir, invoice number count. Invoice number. How many transactions you done actually? Right. Now this is something like group by based on what? Customer. Next one, so country. Next one, invoice number. Invoice number count. Simple. So if you want, I can explain this one by one. You will get an idea. Okay. Good. First do one thing. df underscore new. Next one, df underscore group by, like this you can apply. The next one, df underscore group by, like this you can apply. If you want, you can apply line by line, you will get a clarity. Did you understand, sir? Ready? Let's apply this. You need to spend some time, sir. అంటే బ్లైండ్ గా లైన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయడం కాదు. You should not execute the lines blindly. Though I am covering almost per day 1 hour I am spending, but you need to spend minimum 1 week, minimum 1.5 hour you need to spend line by line. You need to debug and you need to understand. That is the best practice. Okay, great. Let's take this and let's apply this. Daniel, data frame. Oh, group by method returns. We already know this. Did you remember when I was explaining group by, I danced actually here. I mean to say that much important. I told group by is important. And sarlu cheppanu nenu. There is a reason actually. Can I tell you, nenu kuchina point cheppamantara? If you are group by, if you are calling here data frame group by object, but if you are accessing like this series group by object, analyze చేయండి మీరు, మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. Did you notice? Previous one is data frame group by, now series group by. When you're giving like this, actually you will get, why? Because you know, from here to here it is a data frame. You are trying to accessing single column by using index actually, then series. What mean? Focus. మీరు focus చేస్తే తెలుస్తుంది. Call count. Now this is what, end of the day you need to apply the operation on top of this one actually. Yeah sir, this is great, I need this result actually. Get ready. So and so customer ID 12346, he's from UK, his invoice count is 1, invoice number, I mean to say he done one transaction. Next one 12347, he's from Iceland, how many transaction? Very nice. Next one, so and so customer ID, he's from UK, how many? You understand, I guess actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Move on. What is the next operation, you know? Sir, did you remember? Same operation exactly here I am providing as underscore index equals to false actually. The result is a series. I don't want series, I need a data frame. Then you can apply as underscore index. As underscore what mean? Index. A small point. Who are all not attended group by, I kindly request you need to walk through the group by material, try to understand, then only all these operations understand. Otherwise you can see stars in the sky. Okay, yeah, let's take this one. Ayyo sir, I covered this. Yeah, very good sir, very good actually. Especially focus. Everybody focus on this one actually. Good, but I have a question for you. Can I ask you a question? Prashna adumantara. Do you think this is invoice number? Then what it is? Count. Invoice number count. Chappan sir, invoice number? One more time. Invoice number count. If you want, you can rename. You know how to rename actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా? Yeah, rename method we need to apply. What we need to apply? Can I get a response from you? Good, very good. Like that you need to apply. Group by as underscore index I covered actually. Any question? చూపించమంటారా మెటీరియల్? No, let me show you. If you guys are doubtfully, నువ్వు కవర్ చేసావు అన్నట్టు చూస్తున్నారు, కవర్ చేసి చూపించు. I covered Sarji. Go back and go to our material. Our material is awesome. I don't know. Either you are sensing that power of our material or not. నాకు తెలియట్లేదు మీకు మెటీరియల్ ఎంతవరకు నచ్చిందో లేదో కానీ ట్రస్ట్ మీ, అవర్ మెటీరియల్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్. సమస్య లేదంతే, నో డౌట్ ఇన్ దట్. I can go for as underscore. See here I covered actually. There is example number 9. Before entering into the teaching, I know the syllabus end to end actually. Imagine in 10th chapter I wanted to cover one small point. Today I'm covering, there is a point, the point is as underscore index actually. Though already group by topic is available, there I covered already. Then you can feel more comfortable. We already know this. మీకు తెలిసిన ఫీలింగ్ ఉంటుంది. That's what actually. Okay. Anyway, let me stop my overaction. Let's move on. Where are we? We are good to go. Very nice. Daniel, please give me a small recap actually. Yeah, sure. Let me give a small recap. చిన్న small recap అమ్మంటారా? Can I give small revision? Good. Go back. Let me give a small recap. I can walk through very quickly. Within 2 minutes or 5 minutes, I wanted to close actually. Good. The revision. First point, importing the libraries. You know, import. Loading the data set. Read underscore CSV. Encoding is mandated. Otherwise, very good. What error? Any code error. I wanted to know number of rows and columns. Shape attribute. Accessing top 5 columns. Bottom 5 columns. Tail method. I wanted to display only name of the columns. Columns attribute. What attribute? Columns attribute. I wanted to display all columns one by one. For loop. I want to rename. rename method with a dictionary and in place. Rename method with a dictionary and in place. After changing, it would be always good to confirm. ఒకసారి మనం కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకోవాలి. We need to always confirm. When you are going for a vegetable market, you are asking 1 kg and they will confirm in front. They will not give, take this 1 kg. No. Head method. Check the data. Head method. Every time we can look at the data. Let me tell you. Imagine there is a mother, small newly born baby born actually, and almost 1 month over. Mother is preparing, food at kitchen. Every 5 minutes, mother will come and check what exactly, man? Baby. Head method is like that actually. డేటా మన దగ్గర ఉందా, ఆపరేషన్ జరిగిందని చెక్ చేయాలి ఎప్పుడు ఎవ్రీ టైం. ఆర్ విత్ మీ ఆర్ నాట్ సార్? మూవ్ ఆన్. Wooden head method. This is so called as the initial data. Checking the data types. What is the attribute name? For your kind information, tomorrow we are going to close this project. I know group by means almost ending stage actually. You can still apply a lot of operations. I will give assignments. Info method, information. Checking the missing value, either is any or regional. Column wise count actually, sum method. I want you to apply sorting. Then you need to call sort underscore val. This operation I didn't cover in our operation. Please make a note. Here I am covering. If I cover everything in chapter, what I can cover in project. That's the reason. Okay. Now by default ascending order. I don't want ascending. I need a descending. Ascending equals to false. Can I ask a question? What it is? Previously one student asked, Daniel, can I make it descending equals to true? No. You will get type error. You will get what error? I understand your intention. అది ఎందుకు డిఫైన్ చేయలేదంటే I don't know. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay. This method accepts only one keyword argument, that is called as ascending. By default ascending order. I don't want ascending order. Then ascending equals to first top values. This is good information. Next one, invoice underscore date. Yeah. So by default, what is a data type? Object. But I don't want object. We need to convert actually. Then to convert, we are using function. Function name is a to underscore data. Nice, blah blah blah. We converted. Confirmation. We need to confirm. Check the event. Checking the date also. Valuation code మీరు sir proper గా చూడండి. There is a description column which is having almost all uppercase value. More 5 lakhs values, sir. 5 lakhs values actually. 5 lakhs 41. But trust me, it is not total 5 lakhs 41. Why? Please make a note actually. So what you need to understand is, over missing values also we are applying operation. What is operation? Lower. It is performing in the back end. Operation apply అవుతుంది. Did you understand? Please, you have to put light actually. మీరు అర్థం చేసుకో. Move on. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column. 2 cases. If new column will be, if name is a new column will be added. If name is of old values will be replaced with new value. New or old? Old. Please wake up actually. It's a old, right? Now description. All these values it is going to replace with this operation. Yeah. Missing values, blah blah. We are handling. Here onwards 2 objects. The total project we are taking U-turn actually. Till now what is object name we traveled? DF. We are parking here. Now we are moving on with another object. What is that object name? DF underscore new. Now we are asking, come on, let's travel. Right? Here onwards, DF underscore new. Yeah, no missing value, confirmation. No missing values, confirmation. Info method. Customer ID. Customer ID what? Checking the data type. Float. But it should not be a float. It is integer. You may get a warnings and import warnings, blah blah blah. You need to work on this one actually. I will tell you what do you mean by warning. Maybe it's a not right time. I can explain. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column. Right? 2 cases. If column name is new column will be added to the existing data frame. If column name is old, old values will be replaced with. Can I tell you one small point? Maybe ఈ పాయింట్ నేను ఇప్పటికి ఒక 20 times కవర్ చేసి ఉంటాను. By this time I may cover this point 20 times. Daniel, why? Important, sir. Without this operation there is no real time project. If it is really important, I used to repeat more number of times. Return keyword, method calling, accessing attribute, column adding actually. These are all very commonly we are using. Group by operation. Okay. Data frame information, info method. Next one, description. It's not description column. Describe method. What method? Describe. Especially I wanted to focus on quantity, which is having negative value. Now it's a item. You need to understand how to filter negative value. That's what actually. Yeah, you need to create a condition. So here, this is something like a condition. Something like what exactly mean? Condition actually. Condition. Okay. Now, what are all values are greater than 0? We are filtering those values only. Removing negative values. Yeah. So we prepared a condition. Daniel, sir, you know what? Pure Python topic search. In Python, there is a topic name is a relational operator. What operator? If you understand what is relational operator, then only you can understand about the pandas. So Python is the base. Python first, next pandas. Can I draw the diagram? Diagram draw cheyamantara. Many people are thinking like, sir, first box is Python. First foundation మీరు Python మీద అడుగు వేయాలి. What is the next one? Pandas. Next big step is the pandas. Next big step. Pandas. Such a big step actually. Next big step is the machine learning actually. ML. That's a flow. అలా మీకు అర్థం కావాలి. ML actually. Can I ask a question? What is the base? Python. Imagine Daniel, can I jump directly ML? You jump it actually. You should not. Why? Because if you don't know Python and pandas, highly impossible. అసలు మీకు ఏం అర్థం కాదు. So my main focus will be, this is very very important, Sachi. Who are all very serious here, trust me, they can dance here actually. They can dance in pandas and they can even dance in what exactly? ML. Who are all not serious in Python, ఎవరైతే లైట్ తీసుకున్నారో వెరీ ఈజీ, నాకు తెలియని పైథాన్ ఏంటని ఎవరైతే అనుకున్నారో, who are all thinking like I know Python, I born with laptop actually, అంటే ల్యాప్టాప్ తోనే పుట్టానని ఎవరైతే అనుకున్నారో, ట్రస్ట్ మీ, డైలీ యూ విల్ క్రై హియర్ సర్జీ, డైలీ యూ విల్ క్రై హియర్ యాక్చువల్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఫర్ డూయింగ్ ఫన్, బట్ రియల్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ యాక్చువల్. కెన్ ఐ ఆస్క్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్? వాట్ ఇస్ ద బేస్? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ పాండాస్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎంఎల్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ అ డిఎల్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ అ జెన్ఏ. అలా ఉంటుంది రోడ్ మ్యాప్. ఓకే. ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో, నో రెస్పాన్స్. ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్? మీరు వింటున్నారు కదా సైలెంట్గా? Tomorrow we are going to close this project. We have visualizations. I used to keep hold the visualizations. Why? Because upcoming topic. Oh sure, వింటున్నాం సార్. గౌతమి గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ రెస్పాండింగ్. You can walk through, sir. These are all revision, and here we are adding a column, amount spent, and after adding a column we are checking the name of the columns, rearranging the all column names. Next one, data set started with 8 columns. New column we added, amount spent. Why? We are going to use an upcoming operation. Upcoming operation మనం యూజ్ చేయబోతున్నాం. Let me stop Telugu. Let me use, right? Invoice underscore date column. Yeah. So seems to be we are planning to work with only date. Today complete operations this one only. So seems to be, I hope you already know. So this is the data frame, and in between we are trying to inserting a columns. There is a column we have inserted year underscore month. Year underscore month. This operation let me highlight. Data frame, accessing single column. I want this single column contains more than 3,97,000 value. 3,97,000 value. Then what we need to do, you guys need to do one thing. There is a method name is a map. Really very good actually, right? Internally map of, I wanted to apply this operation, lambda of column. Column means this value. Instead of this one, year is available. Column dot year, and I wanted to multiply with 100 and do with addition operation. What operation, sir? Addition operation. You can move on. Fine. Then we are inserting year underscore month. We are inserting month column. We are inserting. Am I right, sir? Month column also we are inserting. Month column. Next one will be day column also we are inserting. Day column also we are inserting. We done these are almost. And in between I applied group by. Our also we inserted actually. Why? Because I wanted to know whichever mode transaction. I wanted to know whichever what mean mode transaction. Next one, we started with the group by. What first operation we done? Hey Daniel, I need a result like group by and customer ID based on country, group by and customer ID based on country, invoice number count, invoice number till here we done, today actually. This we can close it tomorrow. So we done today's session. Tomorrow don't miss the session. Done today's session. Daily Python revision required. If possible, you take our Python Xerox material. You can take our Python material as a Xerox actually, like a hot